Namaskar. Today I want to talk about knowledge because knowledge is the mother of everything. Knowledge is the mother of every design we make. More we know, more better our designs. Same is with health. More we know, more sober we are, more disciplined we are going to design better. And we need to add knowledge from every angle and make self loaded with more and more information, knowledge. How we can do that? We should watch this world all around like a newborn baby. So calmly, so quietly, without any disruption, receive all that. Just like a baby is lying on a bed and observing everything. And then second, we should note down everything as per our conclusions, our eyes. And keep that as the authentic source of everything, authentic source of our knowledge. Because that is our observation, that is our conclusion from ourselves. No, all this knowledge is to be implemented with a courage, a new level of courage, a power, a very disciplined thought. Because all over the world people will disturb you with the millions of their thoughts. That is very dangerous. That never lets you invent anything. So, because the people don't tell you what is to be done, they will tell you this is wrong, that is wrong, this is that, but they are not going to tell you because they don't know. Waviness, confusions, they are loaded with that. But what we should do, observe this world like a newborn baby, as if landed on this earth. Then write down everything with your hands, with your conclusions, with your eyes, and then implement with your courage and make designs. In हिंदी हमें नॉलेज गेन करनी है, नॉलेज का स्रोत अबंडेंस रखनी है, ताकि हम उस नॉलेज से अपने डिज़ाइन लाइफ के बना सकें, हेल्थ के बारे में, लाइफ के बारे में, प्रोफेशन के बारे में. No doubt my channel is health, but we talk about totality. हम पूरी सब बातों की बात करते हैं और नॉलेज जो है वो हमने लेनी है. हमने दुनिया को एक नए बच्चे की तरह, नए पैदा हुए बच्चे की तरह देखना है. In such a sober way and all that, and then हमने उस चीज़ को डॉक्यूमेंट करना है, लिखना है, बड़े ही सुंदर तरीके से कि मेरी अपनी आंखों ने ये देखा है, मैंने आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है, अपने लिखना है, फिर उसको यूज़ करना है लाइफ में। तो कैसे करना है कि जैसे विद करेज, नो फ्रॉम शुरू से आखिर तक आपकी बेबी है ये, आपने ही क्रिएट किया है ये नॉलेज, तो आप उसको करेज से, पावर से, ताकि ये दुनिया की बातें आपको डिस्टर्ब ना कर सकें, क्योंकि दुनिया तो आपको ये कहेगी, वो कहेगी, वो कहेगी, वो कहेगी, लाखों चीज़ें बताएगी, लेकिन वो आप नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे, क्योंकि उनमें कन्फ्यूजन है, सत्य नहीं है। दे आर पीपल आर वेरी कंफ्यूज एंड ऑल दैट। सो वो जो करज है और वो है और नॉलेज है, ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे जीवन के डिज़ाइन को बनाएंगी। तो ये 3 चीज़ें, ओके। नो, हमें जहाँ से भी जिस चीज़ की भी नॉलेज मिले वही हमें लेनी है, क्योंकि नॉलेज इज द इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ द डिज़ाइन वी आर गोइंग टू मेक। ये बातें प्लीज नोट डाउन दीज थिंग्स। People will talk about one subject, give you this. I am giving you a design to create for yourself. Not even discover, but to invent things by yourself, by this thing. So, for example, now we talked about uranium. Now, uranium is there in the rocks, in the lands, in the soil, everywhere mostly, all around the world. Some places it is less, some places it is more. But normally, the quantity of this uranium is active one is very small. 99.3% of it is not radioactive, and the remaining 0.76% is active. They name it as 235, the active one. So when they try to extract the uranium out of 3 tons of that material, we can extract only 1 gram of that. So why I am telling you this? That we should have knowledge that it is all around. But when it comes near us in abundance, in any shape, suppose there is a radiation plant somewhere or some place where they do radiation jobs and all that, so then we can be much more careful, because then the consistent, लगातार abundance हमारे अंदर उसकी आएगी, तो हमें दिक्कत हो सकती है। ऐसे ही हमारी फूड्स हैं जिनमें we have foods, fruits and everything, nuts that have uranium or potassium or whatever. We need not to go for abundance of anything. Even the banana, if you take too much, that has potassium and uranium thing all. So too much, no. Take everything by changing. Today this, next day this. So now we talked about thoughts, we talked about uranium, we talked about how to avoid the abundance of uranium. No consistent passage to our body. Similar is with water. We will have to take limited quantity of water, 3-4 glass or something like that, not too much, not too small. Few people say this much and that much, and water always take by sitting down, because that goes slowly, calmly, quietly, and gives you much more benefits than you stand over there and do. And the fourth very important thing, never use plastic bottles. Never. Because there were many problems created in human body because of that. Then they ask the patient, oh, why are you taking water from plastic bottle? Oh, yes. Even the conclusions are made on that basis. So this whole talk was about knowledge, and knowledge is the mother of everything. Now I will take 1 or 2 minutes for English. I talked about some English lesson also, because most of the people in India जो English नहीं जानते, they don't know English, so I tell little so that they can understand our. I have already, मैंने पहले ही बता चुका हूँ इंग्लिश का थोड़ा सा. अब मैं आज बताता हूँ कि मैंने पहले प्रेजेंट टेंस और पास्ट टेंस की बात की थी. आज फ्यूचर टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं. फ्यूचर टेंस. I will take 2 minutes. We again going to make 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. In the first section, we will put I, we, he, she, it, that, they, all this. The second one we will put will, shall, would, should. And the third one, the things like some toy, go, or color, or do, these things. Now, one from this, one from this, one from this sentence will be ready. I shall go. I from here, shall from here, go from here. I shall go. मैं जाऊंगा. Again, from here, we. I and we. If we take, we will use shall for past, for the future tense. I shall go, मतलब मैं जाऊंगा. We shall go, मतलब हम जाएंगे. I and we के साथ हमने shall को लगा लेना है, और बाकी go तो है ही. और अगर he, she, it, he will go. They will go. So these things we use. And the should and would are just when we are using future talk in the past tense. I should do it. I should do it. मुझे करना चाहिए था. So these 3 things we talked about the future tense, from one from his, one from here, one from here, and the sentence is ready. So more and more knowledge we are going to gather in our stock or in our totality, that will give us more better designs. If I tell you people something, this, do, you can do that, but might not be a creator, might not be an inventor. No, I am trying to give you the ingredients to make recipes, to make designs. So be very serious, very focused on my things, because my things are not discoveries and this. I invent things. I invent every design for my video before coming to in front of you. Namaskar, and I will be again there with the next lesson of English and a very fantastic magnetic thing about knowledge.